but they're certainly within 15% of the original, even if they had to put a little bigger piston in it. Farmall 340. A few more weights in there. You can see what a difference it makes when you throw about 3,000 pounds extra into that. 124. All right, Caleb McCullough. Go up, 3. Okay, Merv Davidson, Oliver, should be there. Nathan Cook, David Brown, Bill Holmes, John Deere A, Mike Stewart, Farmall 300, Glenn McKee, Massey Harris. Next class, get them up there, get line up. Okay, he's got 124 to beat. 124 to go home with the hardware. 124. I believe that is an old flathead engine. Right, well. 126. All right, we've got 126 to beat. And then we'll go immediately into the next class. We've got a lot of tractors. A lot of tractors here today. Travis Cool. All right. We have one 16-year-old so far. One 16-year-old. He'll be coming up shortly. All right, we've got 126 to beat for the hardware here. 126. Super W4 International.
I didn't hear him say that.
We're going to try a third.
Just about 3 or 4 horse more than the straight W4.
Okay.
Little bigger piston.
What did the guy get before me?
24.
To bring down the idles at the end just to get a couple more feet. Man.
That's,
How?
you're the man.
Brad.
127.